And you may have heard of the term Silicon Valley. It's home to tech giants such as Facebook and Apple. It's in reference to the use of silicon in computer chips. And meanwhile, we're not exactly a valley, but more of a hill. Here at the University of Arkansas, we look to jump into the computer chip industry with the future of silicon carbide. His passion for electrical engineering. Student Kevin Chen came to the University of Arkansas for his studies.
When I was talking to Dr. Chen first, he showed me silicon carbide. He talked about it a little bit, and that piqued my interest.
Now, silicon parts like these, they are usually paired with some sort of cooling element. But with silicon carbide, they can withstand higher temperatures, which means they can be used in newer ways.
So silicon carbide is supposed to be one of the next generation materials able to withstand those higher voltages, higher temperatures, where silicon couldn't handle it.
The bottom line is I can build electronics that can go into places that I could never send silicon electronics.
With an $18 million award from the National Science Foundation, the University of Arkansas can build a research and fabrication facility working with silicon carbide. As Dr. Mantooth explains, this opens opportunities not only for students, but partnerships as well.
We're that one-off specialized prototyping, but low volume prototyping place where all of these research ideas can be unleashed.
Dr. Mantooth says they have been approached by over 50 organizations, including 30 universities and 15 to 20 businesses in automotive, aerospace, and heavy equipment manufacturing.
This can open a lot of doors for students when it comes to current experience, up-to-date research experience, and honestly, it's just a unique thing.
So unique, in fact.
This will be the only one in the country.
Now, some automakers have already begun using silicon carbide. This includes big names like Tesla. But with more work and research, Dr. Mantooth says they could jump into other industries, even space. Reporting for UATV News, I'm Jose Carranza.